Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and I want to give a quick little presentation on the value and the reasons why our clients like Azimut. Number one, the company is owned by Polo Vitelli. He lives in Italy. It's a billion-dollar company. It's debt-free, 1,200 employees, and it is the largest manufacturer of motor yachts in Italy. The same hub is where they get very good talent, same people in this industry, cutting edge with Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, all cutting edge people. The gentleman who does the interior designs and architecture is Achilles Savani. Excuse me. There's three different product lines. You've got your Atlantis, Magellano, Flybridge, S Collection, also known as the Grande. The biggest thing that I learned was when the boats leave the factory, they actually get surveyed before they're put on the ships. So that does two things. Number one, it's less expensive to fix over there, but number two, that's really the best quality control you can get. And they also have a brand new 3-year warranty called Peace of Mind. 3 years, that's up to 70 feet. That's huge. Most manufacturers give you 1 year, very limited. The people that buy Azimut, they really want to know about the history, where they're built, how they're built. They want to be unique. A lot of the clients that are going to order boats, be extremely careful with the decor boards. Don't use them if you don't have to. You want to keep it very simple. I would always suggest calling Andrew, say, hey, I've got a hot client, here's what we're looking at, and utilize his help. The nice thing about Andrew as your brand manager, you don't have to split commissions with him. So he's there to help, there to facilitate, help us reach our goals for Azimut sales. Another benefit we have, which we didn't have with Ferretti, which was a huge problem, was parts availability. In Dania, they have a gigantic warehouse that Andrew even recommends bringing clients to, because that was the biggest faux pas we had with Ferretti, and that's one of the reasons it failed, because parts, you couldn't get them. With Azimut, not the story at all. So Azimut's also doing a ton of R&D, coming out with new products, innovative products, and also utilizing carbon fiber. For some of their hard tops, they're able to do things with their boats other manufacturers can't. And the weight ratio of that is just phenomenal, and the strength. So everything they do is cutting edge. The boats are fabulous. They have a lot of flash, very unique interiors. A lot of your buyers that are looking for something that no one else has, and they want to be unique. They want to go fast, they want to have fun, but they want something no one else has. Another thing that we need to tell our clients about, not alone our regular getaways for MarineMax customers, but the luxury events. So we've got 4 scheduled, very expensive events, but these people love this. You get your clients to these events, they're gonna go up with you, you know, trading in, going to larger and larger. Also, we can also take them to Italy if they want to see their boat being built. Phenomenal. And the reason we can do that is because we're MarineMax. We have the wherewithal to do it. So anyways, luxury events, huge, bring that up. You need to let these people know these are especially for them. They want to be cared for, and they want to be unique. And if you do all this, they also will buy many boats from you. So Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax Venice, that's what I learned from my presentation. Thanks again. Have a great day.